I've already did my skincare, washed my face, dried my hair, and I am going to finish putting my face on. I keep going back and forth between my Beige Cool 140 and my Beige 150. Deep Ivory is my little go-to. So if you're watching my channel, you see that it's a little conglomeration of my everyday life to be able to show you my everyday life, right? Because our lives are not just what you see on camera. Our lives are a little bit of everything, right? Today you start out with one thing, tomorrow something else happens. Or you might start out with one thing in your mind, like this is what I'm gonna do. What kind of things do you want to see? Or do you start watching this and then you just go to something else because it's not fulfilling your needs? That's what I would like to know. I mean, I can go on Google and find out what everybody scrolls to find, but I want to know specifically from you. What is it that you would like to see, and get me a little bit of detail on that.